Well, you guys, we got a hell of a busy day. It is the day before Laguna, and we're jam packing everything done. I got a checklist in the car. We got a number of things here already. Tie rods, boots, oil, zip ties, oil treater, anti-friction engine treatment, which should help, a bunch of tools, and that's not even the half of it, really. I have the list downstairs. But like I said, it's 11:30. We got an alignment at 3, so the car has to touch down by like 2:45. So we got a long list of shit to do. So we're gonna get to it. Change, we're gonna loosen this just really quick. And you want to do this slowly or else it'll start coming up too. Alright, so that's good enough for me. I forgot how intense that is. Alright you guys, so I bought a magnetic oil nut from ECS, so I'm gonna put that in. Figured it'd be a good idea now that I'm racing. I'm sure you veterans will tell me why it isn't, but it's what we're doing. Put that in. Now again, I can't say this enough, but I would never advise anyone to do this. Grab a 1/2 inch and a breaker. Always, I'm just kind of trying to get a feel for it. You want to get crushy. I think that's good. Yeah. All right, so there's our nut. Time to pour in some liquid gold. And here's our jug of liquid gold. We're going with 0W40. Castrol used to be an OEM supplier of oil, so I trust them, and frankly I like the brand. Will I spill though? And the answer is yes, I did. And before, oh my god. Yeah, I'm gonna wipe all that down. Without a doubt, that's gonna reek. Because all you people are watching. It did get to the back of the motor, you guys. One of the things we were gonna do today is clean the top of the motor, so I guess it's not the end of the world. But it sure as hell feels like it, you guys. That should be good. Now it's typically a good idea to not knock this out immediately, because keeping it in really helps you undo the other side. This happens a lot quicker with a mallet, but I don't own one, so. So I finished everything up, and then I was looking at the clock, I'm like, oh my God, I'm gonna miss my alignment. Well, long story short, I quickly put everything away. I finished the job and everything, and turns out I read my clock wrong. It was approaching 2 o'clock, not 3 o'clock. However, now it is 2:47, and I'm stuck in bumper to bumper. I only have 3 miles to go, but that's it. I lost my to-do list, so I don't really know what else has to get done. And I'm sure you guys saw the color of the oil. You could have told me the interval was 15,000 miles and I would have truly believed you. But the car rides so much better. The engine's smoother, it's happier. Can't speak enough. Got that mirror in. It doesn't look the greatest here. Doesn't look the greatest. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it because I kind of went to a state where I can't revert. What else? Got to do the mirrors. Yeah, so all I've really done is the oil change and the tie rods. Oh, the big one, the brakes. So that's gonna be the next thing I do when I get back. So we'll see how that goes. So have this. It says my pipe matches, thank goodness. And it's gonna have to go right there. So just by doing that, I can see about how much I'm gonna have to cut. You'll need one of these thingies. A link will be in the description. And we're just gonna hack at it. So I picked up these screws and nuts. They're M5s with lock nuts because you definitely don't want anything in your brake system falling off. And we're just gonna drill the smallest hole we can that still fits this nut on it. So we're gonna grab our toolkit of drills. And honestly, we're just gonna grab one that looks about right. And see, so that's pretty close. But so is that, so we're gonna try that one, this one right here. I don't think it's gonna. Yeah, it's perfect. It's definitely got enough bite on the other side. A little bit of play, but there's only so much we can do about that. Okay. So, I'm gonna grab my drill. Sweet, and actually, that's totally enough. We'll do one more right here just to play it safe so it can't twist, but I mean, that's not going anywhere. We'll do a rotor test. Plenty of room. So yeah, guys, it looks like you only really need one hole. Oh, these were kind of in my way. Oh. Yes. Well, that's okay. Yeah, we're just gonna use 2 screws to mount it in, by the way, guys. So that's gonna work. We're losing light too. Actually, yeah, you guys, it's not going anywhere. But one more hole wouldn't hurt if we can make it happen.